What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Keys. We back with another video. RWP gang, turn me up, man. We back with another one. It's good to be back. I don't got too much energy today, guys. I'm just being honest. I've been working hard, for my 9 to 5, and I just thought I'd just, squeeze a little bit energy that I do got and drop this video. So the topic of the video is going to be relapsing on semen retention will cost you your self-respect. Yes, it will. You thinking you finna just go on the street, get the benefits, receive female attraction, and you fold, because you haven't conquered that animalistic nature of yourself. You haven't conquered lust. So excuse me. So the first opportunity you get, you're going to relapse, you're going to beat the cheeks down. And now you find yourself at day one and it's not fun. You find yourself feeling drained. You just feeling relaxed. You're not gonna want to do nothing. And as soon as you go out into the real world, bro, let me just tell you this: you're gonna notice a difference from before when you on your street. Now you are back to square one. Now you have to get back on retention. You have to try your best to find the drive, find the motivation to get back to it. Because if you just stay where you at, man, and you get back into that cycle of relapsing, it's just going to just destroy you. When I first started retention and I was seeing the benefits, bro, and a chick came and she was sent by the Most High. I know for sure, looking back, I know that she was sent to test me, to see if I was gonna fold. And I ain't perfect. I did. I folded, and I just remember that feeling of regret, that feeling of, man, what have I just done? I just put in all this work and went all these days without busting a nut, and I just wasted on this chick. And she just looked at it as like, oh, she just got me off. She ain't looking at it as like how it's going to affect my life as an individual. And you create soul ties as well, bro, if you just hidden meaningless punani. And I hope you wrapping it up too, because you do not want to impregnate the wrong female, bro. You do not want to be stuck with the wrong female for the rest of your life. So that being said, what I'm trying to get at is that it's never worth it. If she's your girl, y'all in a relationship, is different, bro. But I'm telling you, if you single and you on the grind and you using this energy for that purpose only, you gonna want to hold on to that energy. You're not going to want to waste it. I'm trying to tell you, once you experience these benefits and it becomes normal to you, bro, it's like you're in a state of flow. You got this momentum built up. This energy is just radiating through your body. It's surging you. It's making you want to go out and be productive. It's making you want to go out and do stuff. So once you relapse, bro, you're not going to want to do that at all. You're not going to want to self-improve. You might even get back into the cycle of old bad habits that you just tried your best to release, which you was working on. So, and to get back on semen retention, it isn't hard. It just takes willpower. It takes discipline. And that discipline is going to come from hitting the gym. You got to go hit the gym, bro. If you have relapse, go hit the gym. That entire week, I would eat clean as possible. I wouldn't put no junk food. Drink as much water as you can, and just self-reflect on, how can you be better next time? What triggered me to relapse? Was it worth it? Because we're not like females, right? Females, they have unlimited energy, bro. They don't get drained like us, after busting one. They actually just carry energy. They're like holsters for energy. So, us men, we gotta be frugal on how we spend our energy. It's just like how we spend our money, right? We gotta, be better at managing our money. So, bro, you come too far You come too far. Just look at yourself before. Look how much progress you made just by having self-respect for yourself, by saying no to these 3 or 4, by saying no to easy punani, to saying no to the corn hub. Look how far you come, bro. You just transform. You're in the middle of a transformation. Why would you want to end that by not getting back on retention? Oh, because I relapsed and now it's all over. I lost all my energy. I lost all my benefits. Bro, you sound weak. You sound weak. You know, you gotta, because you told yourself. You told yourself you want to be successful. You told yourself you wanted to change, right? So do that. You know, mean what you say. And there is no room for failure. You know, just because you relapse doesn't make you a failure. I relapsed so many times on this journey. Yeah, I'm still trying to improve. Yeah, I'm still, you know, trying to get at it. Make this a lifestyle for yourself. Pull out all that luggage and all that baggage and trauma and all that stuff that you've been hiding for so long. Pull that out and let retention heal you. Because ain't nobody coming to save you, G. These girls out here do not care, bro. They do not care if you got your life in order. They do not care what your goals is. They don't care if you put in the extra work. They don't care if you hit the gym when you don't feel like it. They don't care, bro. So you gotta take the initiative to put yourself first. Focus on you. I always tell y'all that. You know, and that was the video for today, man. I hope this video was valuable to you. I hope it gave you a different understanding on why you should keep going. You got this. So, you know, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all stay blessed.